Here we are, mate. Sean bleeding the brakes. We might need to put a twin tech unit on it to ABS bleed it, but at the moment it seems to be going all right. We've got a lot of air out of the system. This has now been lengthened a lot, you know, as they recommend, because it's obviously going to go through the forks on this sort of run round here. This is the other side, which I've got to lengthen still. So basically what we did when we fed the thing through, you can see here we've got all these wires to solder up and then put the heat shrink on. Okay, so you get the new thing in the kit, the new extension wires to go on, and then there's some for the indicators, which I think we're going to have to do them as well. But apart from that, longer clutch cable to fit is meat hooks or whatever you want to call them, bagger 8 style sort of bars are on. Looking very cool. If you need any of these kits, give us a call. It's 01773 835 666. The main thing now is we just got to obviously take off this clutch cover and fit the longer clutch cable. So we've got to drain the primary, etc. first. So if you're interested in any parts for your bike, give us a call. 01773 835 666. Customcruisers.com or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.